Hello and welcome. I'm Shamil and an on-site engineer from Meridyen AI. Today, we'll be diving into the Settings tab. The Settings tab is where Meridyen AI is configured to fit your business, from the AI models powering your queries to how your team is structured. Everything is controlled from here. The Model section is where you choose the AI engine behind the platform. Meridyen AI uses multiple models working in parallel, each one handling a specific roles. From understanding your question to writing the SQL to generating charts and deep analysis. You can set one model across the board or assign different models to different roles depending on your priorities. But what really sets Meridyen AI apart from other platforms is that you're not locked into a single provider. You can bring your own custom LLM endpoint, including one of our most exciting features, open source LLMs, and run the platform entirely on your own infrastructure with a high level of flexibility and privacy that's hard to come by. Moving on to the Internet Agent. The Internet Agent extends Meridyen AI beyond your internal data. When enabled, the platform can search the web to supplement answers, especially useful for when your team needs external market data or industry benchmarks alongside their own numbers. Workspaces, as you can see here, keep your data environment separate and organized. Each workspace has its own database connection, its own users, and its own branding. So different teams or business units each get a tailored experience within the same platform. Onto a simple tab. Under Profile here, you can reset your account's password. This is the Users section, which enables admins full visibility over everyone on the platform, their roles, which organizations and workspaces they belong to, and when they joined. Role-based access means you control exactly who can see what data. On to the final tab. Organizations sit above workspaces in the hierarchy. Each organization has its own members, workspaces, and admin, making Meridyen AI suitable for managing multiple clients, business units, or deployments from a single platform. From the AI models running under the hood to how your entire organization is structured, the Settings tab put complete control in your hands. And with the support for open source and custom LLMs, that control extends all the way down to the infrastructure itself. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.